match to me, Andy.
I am well and truly on the fence today, Mr. Tilsley. I can't separate these two.
It's a good pass, you know. Maybe a chance. He's got a chance. So frustrating when you build pressure and don't get any reward for it. No way through there. Thinks he can score. And there's the first goal. When you've got a player like him in your team, you've always got a chance.
What a player this guy is, Clive. He's just perfected the art of goal scoring.
And it's taken just 12 minutes of this match to produce a goal. Always danger when this man's on the ball. The pass cut out, needed to be better than that. He knew what was coming. Now, can he pick out the right pass? Good header! Oh, he struck the post! Just no luck at all! Little back heel. Him.
Dos Santos.
Pushing forward here. It's a chance. Goalkeeper's clapping his hands and encouraging the man in front of him. They gave him as much protection as they humanly could there. It was intense pressure. That's a good interception.
Dos Santos.
Him. Alert defending, that could have been dangerous. This is threatening. Didn't stretch the keeper. He's got men with him. Good touch. Real chance. Falls for the defender. It's pretty easy for the goalkeeper. Danger still, it's a corner. Desperate defending. Just managed to get it clear, but no more. They need a bit more composure back there.
It's a scruffy sort of clearance, that, and it doesn't buy his team much time to rest.
Big chance. The half-time whistle has gone. Off they troop. Scores 1-0.
Well, it's difficult to separate these two teams, Clive, because they've both got bags of quality, and they're really having a go at this game. I've been really impressed with the tempo of it.
Kim. Very alert. Kim. Just cut the ball out there.
Dos Santos.
Now, can he pick out one of the men in the middle? Chance here.
Rather anxious clearance. Oh, that's clever.
Distributes the ball well. Always looking to get forward with the ball. Good stuff. Big chance. They've got to see this through, got to play through to the final whistle. That wasn't a good effort.
Well, that's awful. I sincerely hope his shooting improves as the game goes on.
It's always a predicament whether to change a winning team, but the manager is looking to cement the victory now. This is a tactical change.
Hand.
Has teammates in support. Someone's unmarked. All right, there was a goal on the well-timed header. What a chance! Decided to have a go. Just wonder if they've started to take their foot off the pedal a little bit. That was a poor effort, really.
No, he's got that all wrong, I'm afraid, Clive, and he's let them off basically there. That's a waste.
Dos Santos.
Really good interception there. Good pass. Oh, now they haven't picked him up here. It's an opportunity. It's a chance. Good stop. The keeper did really well. Our support here. Went past the defender as if he wasn't there. Too easy. Throw-in has been signalled.
Hand.
Kim. All eyes on the referee. I don't know if he dare add on any time. It's so close. Saw that coming, didn't he? Ziku. Good movement. Time running out. It's now or never. Space for a shot.